Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the Oppenheimer filter to your videos on the CapCut PC. So first, just add the video that you want to edit and just head to filter. Click on the filter menu at the top, and in here you can easily find it on the featured, but if you can find it in here, just click on the movies section, and here you'll find the Oppenheimer filter. So just download it first if you haven't, and just click on the plus icon to add it to your clips, and you are done. And after that, your video will go like this with the filter. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye!